Welcome back to our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Over the beyond few years, Netflix has started to make investments plenty greater in anime movies. This is possibly selecting up the medium's growing mainstream popularity. Some of the maximum success Netflix original anime have been Blood of Zeus, Violet Evergarden and Trees, which is while the streaming platform additionally includes a few traditional favorites like Attack on Titan and Neon Genesis Evangelion amongst others. At Netflix's Tudum Digital Fan Occasion which befell on September 25th of 2021, the streamer paid unique interest to approaching anime which included Drifting Home, the new movie which is in production by Studio Colorido, who's additionally behind A Whisker Away which got here out in 2020 seems to be nicely on its manner to release. Besides Netflix premiering a quick teaser trailer on the occasion in addition to a touch while to anticipate the film. But like with many anime, the discharge date cited on the occasion was not very precise. Netflix introduced that Drifting Home could be popping out someday in 2022. However, there have been no information launched approximately about a month or day to anticipate the film or maybe a season. People excited for the film can wish to listen something greater precise within the coming months. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. In Drifting Home, Kosuke, Natsume and their buddies collectively at some stage in summertime season. It's an excursion at an anti-condominium constructing scheduled to be on demolition, besides having a laugh and reminiscing approximately about their early lives spent there. But whilst playing, they all get suddenly stuck up in a mysterious phenomenon, and after they regain consciousness, they see a whole ocean earlier than them because the housing complicated has drifted right into a mysterious sea. It's uncertain if they are transported to somewhere else on Earth or every other global entirely. The movie then follows the institution of buddies at the floating condominium constructing as they are attempting to discern out what is taking place and the way to get back home again. They will face each human and mythical obstacles, with the teaser trailer hinting that the constructing is slowly sinking into the ocean. All the while, the youngsters on the middle of Drifting Home will ought to slowly come to phases with the growing duties and modifications that they may locate at their everyday lives as soon as fall arrives. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.